Hi, I'm Marilyn Jackson from Melrose, Iowa. I'm here to kind of share with you my experiences that I've had here at Lucas County Hospital. I happened to fall a year ago and suffered a hematoma and a concussion and was in the hospital for 4 days. During my first visit to see Dr. Anderson here at Lucas County, he mentioned that I needed to be watched closely. He said, "We'll have to watch you," and I was kind of surprised, but not totally surprised. I was pleased that he was paying that much attention. And I did have a lot of issues going on. He suggested that I be watched by his chronic care management people. And Sonia happened to be the person he was referring to. And Sonia then, she began calling me at least once a week, or I would call her. She invited me to call her. And we would visit every little bit. It was very helpful to be able to run things off of her. She would tell me if it was a normal thing, or she would suggest things that I could do to make things better for me, to make me feel better. And she would discuss my prescriptions. Some of the prescriptions were, causing me kind of side effects, that we changed them around or eliminated them, and that helped me a lot. One of the things that she especially suggested that I do was to take Gatorade, and that was a real big boost to me. That helped me a lot. It was just a lot of little things like that Sonia suggested that I do to make myself feel a little better, maybe drink more water, maybe get more rest. She emphasized that I really did need the rest, and I need to get that rest and not to worry about it, because I was so concerned about not getting back in the groove of things. She would often talk with the doctor to check with him to see if I needed further, care or counseling. Sonia was a real big help to me. Sonia would discuss my prescriptions and the prescriptions that I was taking. Some of them were causing me to build up and have side effects from them. So we kind of adjusted the prescriptions and maybe eliminated some or picked up some others, or maybe she would suggest over-the-counter drugs too. Oh, it was wonderful having that continual contact with Sonia. It helped me a lot. It gave me confidence, and it reduced my anxiety level, and I wasn't so nervous about, whether I was doing okay or whether I needed to be doing more work at home, or if I needed to be trying to do more stuff at home for myself. Well, Dr. Anderson has been my doctor, and he's always been very good. It's always been easy to get in to see the doctors, especially the practitioners. If Dr. Anderson was tied up, there was always a practitioner. I've never had any trouble getting an appointment made for myself whenever I needed to. Like if on short term. I had excellent care, excellent diagnosis, immediate attention at the ER at the Lucas County Hospital there. And the life flight was really great. They got me very secured. I felt secured. I felt confident in the care that I was getting. And I wasn't nervous about that at all, because they just made me feel good about it. I highly recommend Lucas County to other people, to my friends and my relatives. I think they give a high quality of care. They're very thorough in their exams when I come into the hospital. They're very good about ordering tests to back up and to discover issues. They're very attentive. They're very thorough. They're easily, readily available. That's one of the things with talking with Sonia. always got a hold of her. I didn't have to wait a half a day. Didn't even have to wait a couple of hours. I could get in right away. And she was very, very high skilled in providing me with the advice and consultations.